Are you ready to have a foam party? We've got some very creative soap ideas for you. For the first idea, melt white soap base. Take a bear-shaped mold. Pour in the melted base using a pipette. Make 2 white bears. Glue the halves together. Next, you'll need a transparent soap base. Melt it and add some blue dye. Mix it in. Pour it into a round mold. Spray some rubbing alcohol to avoid air bubbles. Wait until the base hardens. Spray it with rubbing alcohol again. Lay out cubes of white soap base. Place the bear in the center. Pour in a layer of transparent base. Remove the finished soap from the mold. The little bear, surrounded by ice, is so cute! It's fun to wash your hands with it! And now you need a plastic bottle. Cut off part of the neck. Heat the plastic over a candle until it loses its shape. Cut the bottom. Cut a piece of foil and wrap the plastic circle with it. Melt white soap base. Add some yellow dye. Mix it. Pour the base in half of a plastic sphere. You got an egg yolk. Pour white soap base into a foil mold. Place the yolk in the middle. Smooth out any irregularities. Remove the foil. Gently squeeze the soap out of the plastic. What a delicious and cute egg! It looks real! And now cut clear soap base into cubes and melt them in the microwave. Pour part of the base into a small clean container. Take yellow and red dyes. Add just a drop of each. Stir with a stick and get a rich yellow color. Pour the mixture in a square plastic container. Pour the other part of the soap base into a bowl and add yellow coloring. Stir! To make it look right, you'll need bubble wrap. Pour the hot soapy mixture over the almost hardened soap. Cover it with the bubble wrap, pressing the bubbles into the upper layer of soap and leave it until it hardens. Remove the soap from the container. Remove the bubble wrap. This honeycomb is so cute! Look out! We might see some bees around here. And you can pack the soap with pieces of fabric. Here's another soap idea. Take white soap base. Melt it in the microwave. Add some pink dye. Stir it in. Pour the mixture into a plastic container. Spray it with rubbing alcohol to get rid of air bubbles. Set it aside until it's completely done. Mix part of the white base with yellow and blue dyes. You should get a soft green tint. Pour the green base into a round mold. Spray it with rubbing alcohol and set it aside until it's ready. Take the finished pink soap and a peeler. Cut thin layers from the soap. The soapy slice twists into a pretty curl. Spread the flower heads on the green base. Fill the mold with clear soap base. Gentle roses in a transparent block. If there's anything better than real flowers, it's a bouquet of handmade soap. Beautiful! For this idea, cut white soap base into cubes. Melt them in a microwave. Add some red dye. Stir with a toothpick. Coat a plastic container with rubbing alcohol. Fill it with the tinted base. Let it harden and scratch the surface with a toothpick. Add yellow pigment in the next batch of soap base. Stir and pour the mix into the container. Remove the hardened soap from the mold. Press 2 holes in it with a syringe. Tie it up with a satin ribbon. Make soap bars of different shapes and colors. Look! A whole collection of giant buttons! Can you imagine if buttons really were that big? That'd be wild! And for this idea, take 3 portions of white soap base. Melt them and add blue and black dyes. Now you need a plastic sphere mold. Put the mold on some tape. Pour in some black base. Wait for it to harden and scratch cells in it. Spray it with rubbing alcohol to remove air bubbles. Pour in the blue base. Scratch the cells and pour the white base to the very edges. Fill the second part of the ball with white soap. Combine the halves with each other. To make the look more expressive, add a strip of fake eyelashes. The soap turned out so cute that you just can't take your eyes away. This eye might surprise and even scare your friends a little. And for this idea, we'll need clear soap base and a glass container. Place the soap cubes in the bowl. Melt them. Pour the base into a standard soap mold. Take a disposable syringe. Be sure to find the right moment so the top layer of soap has time to set. Fill the syringe with air and insert the needle under the film on the soap. Let the air out a little bit to form small bubbles. If nothing happens, wait until the base cools a little more. Repeat the air process. Remove the finished soap from the mold. It's so light, clear, and airy. I want to use it and see if the bubbles will burst. For the next idea, take white soap base. Cut a piece of soap into thick pieces. Cut them into small cubes. Melt part of the base in the microwave. Add blue dye. Stir with a stick. Cut off the narrow part from a pipette. Take a box from chocolates. Using the dropper, fill small cells with a blue base. Wait until the pieces of soap harden and shake them out of the molds. Make the same rectangles from pink and white bases. Put the pieces in a soap mold. Fill it with melted transparent base. Spray rubbing alcohol on it. After it's set, remove the soap from the container. It looks very cute and unique, and if you want the soap to look more colorful, add brighter pigments. For the next idea, you need white soap base again. Put it in 2 containers and melt it in the microwave. Color the base with different dyes. Choose a mold. Pour the soap bases in the mold at the same time. Mix the colors with a stick. At the end, you get bright soap with colorful swirls. Cut it. Scratch it. And coat it with liquid soap base. Glue the pieces together. Experiment with different colors. A stylish soap can be used for washing your hands or just to decorate your room. This time, you will need a lot of white and clear soap base. Melt the soap base in the microwave. Take coffee beans and a mold like this. Pour the beans to form a thin layer. Pour the transparent base into the container. Adjust the coffee beans with a toothpick. Once the soap is set, remove it from the mold. Pour a little clear soap base into a deep mold. Place the soap with the coffee beans in it. Take a piece of white soap base. Cut the soap into pieces like these. Combine the pieces of soap so that the coffee is in the middle. Scratch and glue the pieces together with clear soap base. As you can see, it's simple to make and it doesn't take a lot of ingredients. Soap with a delicate aroma of cappuccino and milk foam will win the heart of any coffee lover. And now you need a piece of air-dry clay. Take a big Lego brick and cover it with clay. Wait until the clay hardens and remove the Lego from it. Melt a few pieces of transparent soap base in the microwave. Add blue dye. Stir. Pour the mixture into the mold. Let the soap harden and break the mold with a hammer. What a cute Lego soap! Make bricks of different colors. Done! This soap is cute and unique. Did you like our ideas for creative soaps? Then let us know in the comments which soap idea seemed the most interesting to you. Like this video and share our useful ideas with friends. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any incredible life hacks from Troom Select.